Hello lovely people, welcome to Cucina Di Peachy, the home of pacham recipes. So for today's video, I just want to try this recipe that I've seen on TikTok. So this is fried chicken and this is our ingredients. So we have 12 pieces of sliced chicken and half lemon only. I've shown one piece but I've used only half lemon, okay? And then we also need like all-purpose flour, and then the AROMAT, or it's the food enhancer, black pepper powder, some fish sauce, granulated garlic or garlic powder. That's it. And then we also need some ginger powder, and then of course the peanut oil for frying. So this is it. So now we need to season our chicken with half lemon juice. Okay, and then after that one, we're gonna add the fish sauce for taste. So at least I estimated like at least 3 tablespoons of fish sauce for those 12 pieces of chicken. Okay, so just make sure your chicken are not so thick, okay, so that we are sure that once we fry it, it's not burnt outside and it's cooked also inside. Okay, and then we put 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic or garlic powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Okay, that's it, the ginger powder. And then using your clean hand, you just need to massage it very well, okay, to spread over the chicken. Okay, the seasoning just gently, okay, don't be so rude. Okay, just trying to relax myself because this is my first time doing voiceover in English. Okay, that's it. So, and then after seasoning our chicken, you can leave it at least 1 hour to make it tasty, or you can leave it in the fridge even overnight. Okay, in my case, I leave it like for 2 hours now because we had a visitor that day, so I was just waiting now. So while waiting, so I already marinated the chicken, seasoned the chicken, and then after 2 hours, I already prepared the coating mixture now. So I used like 10 tablespoons. You can adjust it. It depends the sizes of how big is your chicken. So 1 piece of chicken, I use like 1 tablespoon of flour. So I use like only 10 tablespoons of flour, and then I put 1 teaspoon of AROMAT. You can use also salt, and then the 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then let's try to mix it well or shake it well. I place on the cover and shake well so that to make it even, no? So that's it. And then after shaking the coating mixture, I already started coating our chicken. So, and while doing that one, I already start heating the oil. So let's just try to how do we call this, when frying, totally covered with oil, deep fry, no? So, and then also one thing I've noticed that peanut oil is the best for frying. So I don't know with you lovely peoples, what is your preferred oil when it comes to frying. So that's it there already now. And then just make sure that the oil temperature is really hot at first. So, and then don't overload with chicken so that it won't change so much the oil temperature, and so that it will remain crunchy, now. So that's it. I place only a every set 4 pieces of chicken, and then later on I adjust a little bit lower the heat so that they won't get burnt easily, and to be sure that inside they are cooked. So I just cook everything. I just fried everything. Others do the double frying. They said it's gonna become more crunchy. I think yes, somehow it works, but this version that I did, I just fried it once, not twice, no? So, and the result was okay. I mean, I've tried also many recipes of fried chicken. So this fried chicken version, let's say from a rate of from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it 8. Okay, so because the crunchiness that I want to achieve, I didn't really achieve so much. So the result is good, it's tasty, it's crunchy, but still a little bit more practice or maybe a little bit more of adjustment. So that's it, lovely people. This is another version. It's a basic version of Filipino fried chicken, or Filipinos fried chicken. So I hope you learned something, and thank you for subscribing and watching. Have a nice day, keep safe, God bless, ciao ciao.